Do you want to try some, I don't know whether these are Asian or foreign snacks with me? Hey y'all, yes, I'm finally doing a face video. I haven't done one in a sit down video in a long time. I picked up some snacks at the Asian market, H-Mart, where we go shopping. And I wanted to share some of them with you. I don't know what some of the names are because they are written in foreign language. This is one. It looks like a peanut type thing. We're going to try this one. See what this is about. And this is also some type of peanut. I love peanuts, so I don't know. Met Dongsun. Here's another one we're going to try. This, I don't know what this, they had a real name. These are called honey butter chips. Honey butter chips. I love them, you guys, okay? This is called Shin Zhang snacks. And they look like there's some kind of honey, honey thing going on there. Gonna try those. And then these are Asian, they're called Want Shelly Senbei. Want Shelly Senbei. They're called rice crackers. So we're gonna try these too. Ooh, you guys, I don't know. It better be good. I hate eating stuff that don't taste good. So we're gonna see. Okay, the first one we're gonna try is this Want Shelly Senbei, these rice crackers. They look like a rice cracker, but it's got like, I don't know, a salt or some kind of sugar on it. Hopefully it's good, Oh Lord, hopefully I can get it open. Okay, they come in little packets. They have foreign writing on the front of them, so I don't know. It could say, don't eat this. I have no idea. Oh, we're gonna try. How's everybody doing? Hope y'all are good. It's Friday. Trying out some new things. It looks like a basic rice cracker. Look at that. I'll bite it now. Not bad. This tastes like, the rice cakes you buy in the store? Tastes like a rice cake with sweetness on it. I like these. I actually like this. Come in a pack or two. Let's see how bad they are for you. No, I can't say. They have low sodium, very low calorie, low carb. Okay. There's something we can eat on there. I would take this as a little snack. Very crunchy. I like it. So that's the Want Shelly Senbei rice cracker. You tell I like it because I keep eating on it. Okay. The next we're gonna try, this is some kind of peanut. I don't know because it's all in, everything is in foreign writing. So I don't know what this is. But we are going to try it. I'm not good at opening things, you guys. I don't have very good hand strength. So, I bit it. The deep is still good. Ooh. Okay, it looks like that, you guys. like a thing of cereal or something. These are be nice. Not bad. The peanut is like peanut butter and peanut in the inside. And the outside just like crackery and kind of salty. That's a really good snack. I like these too. Like a little peanut butter ball, but it's got, nope, not peanut butter, it's got a peanut. It's like hollow on the inside, except for the peanut. A little bit of salty there. Pretty good, you guys. Okay. Now we're on to, this is called the honey butter chip. Honey butter chip. I'll try this one. It always tells you where to open something, and then half the time you can't even get them, which makes me very mad. Let's see. I don't know. So far, I've been happy. Oh, it's called a honey butter chip, but this looks like a potato chip, you guys. Look like a. Oh, these are good, y'all. I don't know what that flavor is. It's like a buttery. I don't taste the honey, but it tastes like a buttery potato chip. This is good. And crunchy too. Oh Lord. I have to get into the good. These are good, y'all. The honey butter chip. But it tastes like more of the butter. I can taste the butter. There's a winner. Go to your local H-Mart. Pick these up. We got two more. It says open here, but it don't work. And that makes me very mad. I'm hot. Oh, I'm about to bite it again. Why do you think it's so hard? Who do you think is trying to get in here? Dang. There we go. I have to do it with my teeth. Okay. These are the Matun Gonsang. And it's called peanut snack. And it looks like this. Matun Gonsang. These are kind of good. It's like, excuse me. It says a peanut crunchy snack, but this is more like a pretzel with a real sweet coating on it. I don't really taste the peanut butter, but I won't be in there from it. It's okay. This wouldn't be my favorite one, but I'll eat it as a snack. But I'm watching a game or something. Oh, Lord, all my stuff is going everywhere. I'm still crunching on these little crackers. These rice crackers are good. And I don't like rice cakes. Rice cracker, you guys. This is like a sweet thing. Good. Okay, our last one. And I don't know about these because I don't like honey. But this is the Shinzang. It's supposed to have sweet acacia honey in it. And I'm not a big honey fan, so we will see what this is going to do because I'm not a honey fan. Smell it before I do it. Okay, that's what this looks like, you guys. real sweet. Tastes like a corn pop with some kind of sweetness on it. But you really don't taste the honey. This is a good snack, you guys. These are really good snacks. I've been missing the snacks because I normally don't buy them. Like a sweet Frito. That's good. Okay, so the Shinzang, these are good too. So everything I tried today, these honey butter chips are just like a potato chip with butter. These are good. The Shinzangs are good. These were okay. I mean, you know, good snack. These little peanut, I don't know what they're called, but these, I can't read the writing. These are really good. And these little rice, like sweet rice cakes, woo, they good. So, I'm happy. I just want to come on here and do a video with y'all. Show y'all some different things I'm doing. Close all these up again. I hope everybody is fine. You know, I'm not complaining. Life is life, and you take it and you move with it. We're moving all along in these watch hours. I thank everybody for watching me, supporting me. I think the trick for me was just to take my time because I don't have a lot of time. I work a lot. So the trick for me was to be steady and just take my time, and I am moving forward, and I appreciate everybody. I love y'all so much. Kisses to all my fam. Other than that, nothing is going on. Chilling for the weekend. I pray you guys are having a safe and happy weekend, and I will talk at you in the next video. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Lady C is out. I'm so out. You guys like a good snack? Go watch TV with them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. Comment, leave me a comment. Tell me what's going on in your life. Tell me what you want in my videos. Just comment. You know, and like, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Lady C's out this time for real. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Ooh, yeah, y'all. Me and hubby watching the 70-inch in his new man cave. Check it out. Oh, get the chairs and stuff. Yes, 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 yes. Somebody has found their home in Daddy's man cave. He is very, very happy. He loves shaggy carpet, and he will be going to sleep.